Imagine a planet just like Earth but light years away. Could it harbor life? Welcome to our journey of discovering Earth. Like exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Scientists are on a quest to find these distant worlds, especially those that might have conditions suitable for life. Today we will explore how these planets are found, what makes them Earth-like, and why this search is so important for humanity. Detecting the distant worlds is no easy task. Scientists use several instrument methods to find exoplanets. One of the most popular techniques is called transit method, where astronomers look for tiny dips in a star's brightness as a planet crosses in front of it. Another method is radial velocity, which measures the star's wobble caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. Each method presents unique challenges from distinguishing the signals of small planets to according for interference from other cosmic phenomena. Recently, an incredibly discovery was made an Earth-like exoplanet in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could exist. This planet, named Kepler 455-2b, orbits a star similar to our Sun and is considered one of the most Earth-like exoplanets found to date. The discovery of Kepler 452b marks a monumental step in our search for life beyond Earth. The potential for finding life on other planets excites both scientists and the public, driving further exploration and research. This discovery has sparked excitement and increased funding for further research. Scientists are now focused on using advanced telescopes like the James Webb Telescope to study these exoplanets in greater detail. They aim to analyze the atmosphere of these distant worlds, looking for signs of water, oxygen, and other markers of habitability. The discovery of Kepler 452b has also highlighted the challenges we face, such as the need for better imaging technologies and more precise instruments to study these planets from afar. The search for Earth-like exoplanets continues to push boundaries of our knowledge. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old questions. Are we alone in the universe? The potential for finding another habitable world is not just a scientific pursuit, but also a profound journey that could change our understanding of life. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. I'm honored to join us on this exciting journey and to stay updated with the latest discoveries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Together, let's explore the cosmos and uncover the mysteries of the universe. Bye.